Hey guys, and welcome back to the first ever episode of Pangolin Tech Tips. I'm your host, Joshua Archford, and today we're going to be learning how to get rid of training spaces in NeoVim. So let's jump right in. First up, we want to see how do we see these training spaces. In order to do this, we use the command called setList. This command shows all spaces in the document. So let's increase the size a little bit, and let's just jump right in. Set list. As you can see, this leaves these little dots, so it replaces all your spaces with symbols. Right? Second of all, we want to see how do we configure these training spaces, or any spaces in general. To do this, we use the set list characters command. Right? So as you can see, this is for end of line, this is for blank spaces, this is your normal space, this is tab, and your trail. So all these symbols show what like different things would be. So like at the end of line, you can see that we have this little symbol here that matches this. Finally, the third and final point that we're going to talk about today is how to remove these trailing spaces. In order to do this, we use the substitute command. So first up, we go into the command mode, right? And we do %s. Percentage because we want to see the entire file. S for the substitute command. Next, we want to see what are we talking about. So in order to do that, we use the escape character / followed by an S. This way, it only selects the spaces. After this, we want more than one space. So in order to do this, we add another / with a plus sign this time. And because we want training spaces being those at the very end of a line, we add a $ to symbolize end of the line. Finally, we go and what do we want to replace this with? Nothing. So we just go put an empty space there. Finally, we want to have a confirmation screen. Like, is this what you want to do? Do you want to get rid of this? So you would just put a C there. So let's see. Replace with Y and replace with Y. And there you go. That's all there is to trailing spaces. If you enjoyed today's episode, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. If you have any comments or concerns, drop a comment down below. Until then, see you next week.